Phylogenetic groups of bacteria. 1. Water Aquificales. Extremely thermophilic bacteria, considered the oldest branch of the bacterial domain, for example Aquifex. 2. Water-green non-sulfur bacteria. Photosynthetic, some thermophilic bacteria, for example Chloroflexus, Thermomicrobium. 3. Water-green sulfur bacteria. Green phototrophic bacteria that do not produce oxygen during photosynthesis, for example Chlorobium. 4. Water proteobacteria. Gram-negative bacteria, some phototrophic, non-oxygenic, chemotrophic, and capable of nitrogen fixation, for example Escherichia, Salmonella. 5. Water gram-positive bacteria. Includes endospore-forming bacteria, lactic acid bacteria, and anaerobic, aerobic cocci, for example Staphylococcus, Clostridium. 6. Water cyanobacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria producing oxygen, for example nostoc, Anabina. 7. Water bacteroids. Gram-negative, rod-shaped bacteria, for example bacteroids, Flavobacterium. Cyanobacteria. 8. What is the meaning of the term, cyanobacteria? Derived from Greek kyanos, blue, and bacterian, rod, referring to blue-green bacteria. 9. Where are cyanobacteria found? In damp places, saltwater, freshwater, moist soil, tree trunks, rocks, and hot springs. 10. What unique partnerships can cyanobacteria form? With liverworts, ferns, corals, fungi, forming lichens, etc. 11. What is the primary pigment in cyanobacteria? Ficocyanin, a blue pigment, which is a type of phycobilin. 12. How do cyanobacteria reproduce? Asexually through cell division, fragmentation, producing homogonia, echinate formation, resting stages. Spore formation, rarely through heterocyst endospores. 13. What is a heterocyst? A specialized cell in cyanobacteria for nitrogen fixation. 14. Why are cyanobacteria important in evolution? They were likely the first organisms to introduce oxygen into Earth's primitive atmosphere. 15. How do cyanobacteria fix nitrogen? About 1/3 of cyanobacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen in heterocysts. Structure of bacteria. 16. What is the typical structure of a bacterial cell? Includes a cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, genetic material, and external features like capsules, flagella, and pili. 17. What is the composition of the bacterial cell wall? A multilayered structure with peptidoglycan N, in gram-negative bacteria, an additional outer membrane. 18. What is peptidoglycan? A polymer of peptide and sugar, providing structural support to bacterial cells. 19. What is the role of the capsule in bacteria? A gelatinous layer aiding in adherence to surfaces, composed of polysaccharides or, in Bacillus anthracis, D-glutamic acid. 20. What is the key difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria? Gram-positive bacteria, thick peptidoglycan layer with teichoic acid. Gram-negative bacteria, thin peptidoglycan, outer membrane with lipopolysaccharides, and periplasmic space. 21. What enzymes are found in the periplasmic space of gram-negative bacteria? Beta-lactamases, which break down penicillin and other beta-lactam antibiotics. Shapes and sizes of bacteria. 22. What are the main shapes of bacteria? Spherical, cocci. Rod-shaped, bacilli. Spiral, spirilla. 23. What is a diplococcus? A pair of spherical bacterial cells. 24. What is a streptococcus? A chain of spherical bacterial cells. Cyanobacteria reproduction and structure. 25. What is an echinate in cyanobacteria? A resting cell with thick walls, reserved food, and DNA, released after dormancy. 26. Where does photosynthesis occur in cyanobacteria? In the extensive membrane system within the cytoplasm. 27. What is the cell wall of cyanobacteria composed of? Muramic acid, a characteristic feature of prokaryotic cells. 28. What makes cyanobacteria unique among photosynthetic bacteria? They release oxygen during photosynthesis. 29. Why are nostoc and anabina cultivated in agriculture? For their nitrogen fixing abilities, which enhance soil fertility. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.